Are you tired of seeing that little Powered by WordPress link in your website's footer, but not sure how to get rid of it, especially if your theme doesn't offer an obvious way? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove those default WordPress footer credits. Fast and frustration-free, even if you're not a coder. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking footer that's all your own. Plus, you'll understand the safest methods so you don't accidentally break your site. Let's dive right in. Now, a lot of themes don't give you a simple switch to turn off that footer message. Sometimes you'll dig through settings for ages and just come up empty. The good news is there's an easy, universal solution: plugins. And don't worry, you don't need a developer's background to use them. First, we'll use a plugin called Remove Powered by WordPress. This is a lightweight plugin specifically designed for this task. You'll want to head straight to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Then add New in the search bar. Type Remove Powered by WordPress. It will be among the first results. With a straightforward icon, all you have to do is click Install Now, and then hit Activate if you've never installed a plugin before. Don't stress, WordPress makes the process super intuitive with just a couple of clicks. Think of plugins like handy little add-ons for your phone. You pick what you want and it installs itself smoothly. Once the plugin is activated, here's what you do next. Go to Appearance, then Customize. This opens up the Live Customizer, which lets you tweak look and feel stuff while seeing a preview on the right. Inside here, look for theme options, sometimes depending on your theme. The wording might slightly differ, but it's typically called Theme Options or something similar. Inside this section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Remove Powered by WordPress. Just click that box, and you'll see the footer credit disappear off your preview in real time. This is the magic moment, simple but effective. What's great about this method is you don't risk breaking any core files, so updates won't accidentally bring the credit back or mess up your design. But maybe you want a bit more control, like replacing the entire footer text with your own brand name or slogan. In that case, there's another plugin made just for you. Remove Footer Credit. Head back to Plugins and search for Remove Footer Credit. Install and activate it the same way. When the plugin is running, you'll get an interface that lets you type in the exact text currently showing in your footer, such as Proudly Powered by WordPress, and choose either to delete it completely or swap it for your own custom wording. This is perfect if you want your footer to reflect your business name, or perhaps leave a personal touch to your visitors. You don't need to worry about getting the wording exactly right. Copy and paste what's there and follow the steps. The plugin does the rest. Now, just a quick word of reassurance: sometimes it takes a moment for changes to show up, especially if your site uses caching plugins or if you're viewing a cached version. Don't worry if you don't see the update right away. Just clear your browser cache or refresh a couple of times. If you ever want to revert back, you can simply uncheck the box or deactivate the plugin. And that's it. Using either of these plugins, you can quickly and safely remove or customize that pesky Powered by WordPress credit, giving your site a cleaner, more branded look without touching any code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into hiccups, just drop a comment below. I always check and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials, website tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.